This is the 13th video of designing the e-commerce web application. On my previous video, I showed how to design a responsive product registration using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So, today I am talking about program the product registration program including image uploading. So, this is my add new product page. First, we add a new product. So, I add a Asus laptop. Category is laptop. Brand is Asus. Model is VivoBook 15. Title is Asus VivoBook 15. Brand new. Color is blue. Quantity is 7. Cost per item is 21,50,000. Delivery cost within Colombo 800. Delivery cost out of Colombo 1,600. Product description. Upload images. Then save product button. So finally I got response text, product successfully, product image saved successfully. Okay, now check our product table. Here's my product table and refresh it. So my product was successfully added. Let's get into the backend code. So here's my product registration code. First, I connect my database to my server and I check the session view variable which user email address and password is declared, and if it is true, then all condition must happen, else we redirect to the home page. And the category menu, I got all the data from category table and catch all the numbers of rows in the result set. In the for loop, counter $x equal to 0 and it continues category nums else than to the $x, and it increase 1 and 1. Then I fetch each rows that fulfill all condition and assign into the category data variable. So in the option tag, I get all the data by using category data variable, the brand, model, color, process also same as the category menu. In here, I add object attribute and give a function load brand. When we choose a category, this function load brand relevant to the category. Now we see how it's work. In here, I select category, cell phones and accessory. We load our branders like this. When we click laptop, this is the laptop brand. So we go to our backend code. So here's my load brand function. First, I catch all the category elements, get element by ID and assign into the category variable. Then I create a new XML HTTP request and I use this part to send my request to my server. So I use get method. Here is my server location, loadbrand.php. Moving on to the loadbrand.php. In the top of the page, I connect my database to my server. Then the C variable, which is our category ID, is declared and assigned into the category ID variable. This query search all the category IDs to equal our category ID in the category has brand table and assign it to the category RS. After I catch all the result number of the rows, then we come to our for loop. First, I fetch each rows of the rows our result set and assign into the $category data variable. Then I search all the result of brand table ID equal to our brand ID in the category data. In here, I fetch each rows and assign into the brand data and use this option tag to display brand names. So, moving back my addProduct.php. In here, I add the onClick attribute and give a change product image function. So, this is my change product image function. First, I get image uploader element by getElementById and assign into image variable. Then, I call this function image onChange. So, if the file counter less than or equal to 3, this for loop works. Else, we got an alert. Please select 3 or less than 3 images. So, moving back my addProduct.php. In here also I create addProduct function to save product button. So, this is my product function, addProduct function. First, I get all the elements and assign them variable using getElementById. But when come our conditions, if we check brand new condition equal to the 1, else we check use the condition equal to 2. In here also I create a new form data and append all results for it. Then I create a new XML HTTP request and I send my request to the addProduct.process.php. So this is the addProduct process. I start a session and connect my database and call the email address for all users using by u variable and assign into the email variable. Then I assign all details I got using post method to variables. So this is the validation part. In all this condition fulfilled, then I search all result in the brand has model table. The brand ID and model ID equal to our brand and model. And then each number of rows on the result set equal to 1. Then I fetch that rows, assign this MHB data variable and assign ID to model has brand ID variable. Else, it is insert into the brand has model table. Then I got model has ID using insert ID function. And then here I got new date and time using date and time function. Then I use date time zone to get our Asia Colombo time, and this is the format our date and time. And here one assign into the status variable and insert all data to my product table using this query, and the server send response text product saved successfully. Then come to product image saving part. So this insert ID function returns the ID gendered with an to increment for the last query. Then I assign that ID to this product ID variable. And then I got the number of files which are product images and assign into the length variable. The length fulfill this condition, the whole thing happened, else we got response text invalid image count. And this is the file extension we can use. If we choose different file extension, we got a response stage invalid image type. So this is the final process. Thank you so much. Watch my video. Hope you see next video. Goodbye.